Everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're out here at Texas City Dike and we're at the very end. We're at the very end of the Texas City Dike. You got the lights on, you got them shrimp, and we're gonna see if we can get on some trout today. Y'all stay tuned, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. Boom. Alright guys, so this is what we're using right here, live shrimp. We're using the same setup that we were using last time on in the beachfront, but I think it might be a little bit longer this time. I think I might have went probably 5 foot. Yeah, we're gonna see what we can get into. There goes the first cast. There's a lot of bait out there, so hopefully they are more interested on these shrimp because there's a lot of glass minnows. Make sure to check your drag before you start fishing. Should be good right there. The current's actually moving pretty strong, so you want to keep on retrieving it and recasting. There we go, we got one. Oh yeah, oh, that's a good trout. Get him on the rocks. Oh, there we go. Oh, here's the first trout. Here he is. I think I'm gonna release this one. This one looks a little bit small. Let's go ahead and put another shrimp. We're gonna hook them right on top of the horn, just like that. You don't want to go too far with it, just keep it up short, because all these trouts are running right up close to the rocks. Go. A lot of small speckled trouts right now. Usually when the current's moving this quick, there's something with big trouts out here. I'm gonna try to get it out there. See how quick that current's moving out there. Way quicker. Alright guys, we switched up to an artificial. Oh my God. What does he want to eat, man? Damn, man. They keep hitting it.
Oh
yeah? Otra vez. Damn. There we go. There we go. There we go. Man, that's a good one, man. They're in there pretty thick now. We got some tacos. Look at this, guys. Boom. Hook just comes off just like that. And off you go to the cooler. Look at them. Man, that's a big trout.
Is the one you have?
Huh? Yeah. Well, it's the same. This one's already all beat up. It keeps busting in here, but I don't know. It's not hitting it. Oh, it goes another one right in there. Boom. Just like that, we got another one. A brand new one. There goes one busting here. They went after it, huh? Oh, it just hit it. It just hit mine right now. It seems like they're running lower. There we go. Smaller one. And off he goes. Just like that, he was sent back home. Those some big ones in here now. There we go. A little bit smaller. Okay, hold up. It's not bad, but there's a lot of trout out here busting, guys. So if you got some spotlights, come out here. Those trout are real thick right now. Whenever I come out here to fish for trout, I usually come out here in the very end. Right here once it starts turning. Just because the current picks up a little bit better here. You'll do good on artificial and live shrimp. Alrighty. Alright, we're gonna do one more last cast. I think so. I'm gonna switch it up. All right, guys, we moved in a little bit closer. The water just got too dirty down there, so we moved in a little bit closer. See if we can get on some trout here. We've been warming up the water for a little bit, so the bite should be already on. We see a couple trout busting already, so. Everybody's catching them besides me, man. Oh, comes glasses off. Boom. Destroying these lures, man. All right, everybody, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you got lights, come out here, because there's some big trouts out here working. It's really windy right now, but look at all that bait just moving around because these trout are just chasing it. So if you got lights, come out here to Texas City Dike, probably around the 4th mile mark, or go to the end where I was at first. Man, the trout are on fire. But that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We are out. Peace.